Hello and welcome to this short tutorial about the Figma plugin Local Print. So this plugin will allow you to display your variables and also text styles inside your Figma document. And in this demo I will quickly show you how this works. So here we have already some variables defined. Here we have a collection named semantic colors, and we want to display them inside our document, to share them inside our team, and also have a kind of nice overview. So I will go to our plugins here and select local print. Then we're going to select variables, then the collection semantic colors and a light version, and we're going to keep the default order. And we can see how now that we have our nice table here where we're gonna find our variables, also with some descriptions here. And the cool part is that as soon as you're gonna make a change inside your collection, so let's say you want to maybe add a new color, call it surface base 2, and we'll use the primitive color black, for example. You close it and you just hit the refresh variables button, and you can see that we have the new variable here displayed. So very useful to document your variables, to share them inside your team, and it's already used inside our design system kit core, so feel free to have a look and enjoy.